going to see a recruitment news from Airport Authority of India. It is for freshers and it is for the engineering graduate and also for diploma graduates, and final years are also eligible. Okay, so I am receiving a lot of comments regarding I want to tell in my videos that whether the final years are eligible or not in the beginning itself. So I'm telling it, so it is for the final years also. Okay, so here the recruitment is actually happening for apprentice, for graduate and also for diploma. Okay, we'll be seeing all details in this video. That is the post details, qualification, age limit, selection procedure, all those things, and also the application procedure. All those things we'll be seeing in this video. Okay, so let us first see the post details. So the posts are graduate apprentice and also for diploma apprentice. And also I want to tell you in the beginning itself, this recruitment is actually for people who are belonging to the states Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, etc. Goa, etc. Okay, that is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Goa. That is in the western region of the country. Okay, so if you are not belonging to any of the states, you can skip this video. So this recruitment is actually for the people who are domicile of these states. Okay, now moving on to the post details. The first post is graduate apprentice mechanic auto engineering. It is actually for the mechanical branch and the automobile branch. And the qualification you are requiring is engineering degree in this, either mechanical or an automobile engineering. Okay, there are 31 posts. Okay, next post is graduate apprentice communication and navigational surveillance. So it is for the communication branch, telecommunication, and also electrical and electronics also can apply. Okay, so you should be having a B or B Tech in this branches, that is electronics and communication, electronics, or electronics and telecommunication, or electrical and electronics can also apply. Okay, so that is the second post. There is 29 vacancies. So this is actually a very big recruitment. All the categories are having lot of openings. Okay. Next is the third category of recruitments. It is for graduate apprentice information technology and computer science. There is 26 openings, and it is for the people who are having B and B Tech qualification in CS or IT or electronics, again can also apply here. Okay, there is 26 openings. Okay, so that is the three categories of graduate apprentice recruitments. Next is for the diploma people. First one is diploma apprentice, again mechanic and auto engineering. Here again, if you have a diploma in mechanical or automobile engineering, you can apply. Okay, there is 27 openings. Okay, next one is diploma in communication and surveillance. So all the posts actually are calling for diploma and graduate. Okay, next is diploma communication surveillance. So this is for the people who are having diploma in electronics and communication or electronics and telecommunication, and also for electrical and electronics. Next one, the last post is for diploma information technology and computer science. Again, if you have a diploma in IT or computer science, you can apply. There is 24 openings. Okay, so this is the post details and the opening details. Now talking about the stipend, it is actually very much higher than that of the other apprentice stipend generally the Government of India organizations are providing. Here the stipend for the graduate apprentice is 15,000 rupees per month, and for the diploma apprentice it is 12,000 rupees per month. Okay, and the training period and the duration of training is for 1 year. Okay, and also they have said that how much percentage of mark you should have in your qualifying examination, that is BE, BTech and diploma. For the general category, minimum 55% of mark you require in your BE, BTech and also in the diploma. But if you belong to SC/ST category, you require only 45%. Okay, so that is the minimum percentage of mark that you are requiring in your degree, that is in your qualifying examination. Okay, next is the age limit. It is from 18 years to 26 years. Maximum age limit is 26. So the maximum age limit is 26 years, and also they have said that you should have passed your BE, BTech and diploma on or after 2018 March. Okay, only if you have passed your BE, BTech and diploma on or after March 2018, only then you are eligible to apply. Okay, so these all things they have mentioned specifically in the notification. Okay, next is the selection process. The selection process is quite simple. There is no written examination or anything. You will be getting qualified to the interview. That is the only selection process. This you have to apply. If you are getting selected, you will be called for the interview. Okay, so there is an interview only. Okay, next is the application procedure. Application procedure is just like any other apprenticeship jobs or apprentice recruitments happening for the Government of India organizations. You have to go to the site www.mhrdnats.gov.in. You have to enroll yourself. Then you have to get your specific enrollment number. And after getting your enrollment number, you have to select the menu for request for establishment. From that, you have to select Airport Authority of India, then click and apply. Okay, so that is a procedure which we are following in all the apprentice recruitments. Okay, you have to enroll yourself to this mhrdnats.gov.in site. And the last date is 31st of December. You can apply from 9th of December to 31st of December. Okay, so this is actually a very big opening, especially for the people who are belonging to these states, Maharashtra, Gujarat, MP and Goa. So this is a golden opening. So please see the notification if you are interested. If you think that you are eligible, please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay. And if you found this video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Please to try to share these videos maximum. And if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.